In this video, I'll guide you through how to turn on Capital One paperless statements. Switching to paperless statements is a simple way to manage your financial documents more efficiently and environmentally friendly. Plus, it reduces clutter and ensures you have easy access to your statements wherever you are. To get started, first sign into your Capital One account. You can do this either on the website or through the mobile app. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, it's available on both iOS and Android, making it convenient to manage your accounts on the go. Once you're logged in, you'll want to select the credit card or account for which you'd like to turn on paperless statements. This step ensures that you're modifying the settings for the correct account, especially if you have multiple accounts with Capital One. Next, navigate to the More Account Services section. This area contains various options that allow you to customize how you manage and interact with your account. Once there, look for the option labeled Manage Paperless. This is where you can adjust your statement delivery preferences. Now you'll see an option to toggle the setting to turn paperless statements on. Simply switch this setting and you're all set. By doing this, you're opting to receive your statements electronically rather than by mail. This change not only helps you stay organized, but also contributes to reducing paper waste. After you've enabled paperless statements, you'll begin receiving email notifications whenever a new statement is available online. Make sure to keep your email address up to date within your account settings so you never miss a notification. This way, you can promptly view and download your statements, ensuring you're always on top of your financial information. And that's it. That's how to turn on Capital One paperless statements. It's a quick and easy process that offers many benefits, from convenience to environmental impact. If you ever wish to switch back to paper statements, you can follow these same steps and toggle the setting off. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the simplicity of managing your finances digitally.